Ici, par exemple, ici, il y a des choses qui fait la bonheur. It gives you a happiness in your program. Qu'il fait la bonheur pour ce programme de la langue. Ici, par exemple, now, now, par exemple, there is a increasing in the pricing. Now, increasing the prices in petrol prices. Now, ici, c'est une nouvelle augmentation. Just open your voice, please. C'est une nouvelle augmentation. Improve your voice because this is how you get a listening. For example, the listening is going on to increase the pricing of the petrol. C'est une nouvelle augmentation du prix. Open your voice, please. C'est une nouvelle augmentation du
Augmentation
pétrole,
du prix
du
du
pétrole
pétrole
dans les
pétrole
3 mois à venir. Dans les
dans
3
les 3
mois
mois
à venir.
à
What is
venir.
that? We have a accent at the top of the A, which is in, at, and to is a preposition. What I'm talking about, my friend, c'est une nouvelle augmentation. Open your voice, please. C'est
C'est une
une
nouvelle
nouvelle
augmentation
augmentation du prix du pétrole dans les 3 mois à venir. This is another increasing the price of the petrol in the next 3 months. This is this is your listening program going on. Et les résultats, open your voice, please, and I need your voice today. Et les résultats de
les
l'enquête.
Les résultats
Et les résultats de
et
l'enquête
les résultats
seront
de
publiés,
l'enquête
seront publiés
dans
dans
l'enquête
le prochain,
dans le
le
prochain
prochain numéro du magazine. What I'm talking about.
magazine.
Et les résultats de l'enquête. Open your voice, please. Et le résultat de l'enquête and the results of the survey. What is enquête? Enquête is survey. Et les résultats de l'enquête and the results of the survey will be published. Seront publiés dans le prochain numéro de magazine. And the survey, what is enquête? Tell me. Enquête, c'est surveys
survey
will be published in the next issue of the magazine. Dans le prochain numéro du magazine. Donc ici, par exemple, c'est un issue, c'est un enjeu, c'est un grand enjeu à l'issue de ce match. À l'issue de ce match, la jeune Australienne, right? Open your voice, please. I need a voice today.
la
La
jeune
jeune
australienne
Australienne pourrait
pourrait
bien devenir, bien
bien devenir
devenir le numéro,
Numéro
le numéro 1 du tennis mondial. Du tennis,
Sir, I can't screen.
sorry,
Sir, your screen is not. Okay, now okay.
it's not visible. It is there in
Yes, earlier, sir,
du
now also okay.
tennis mondial. Donc, ici, par exemple, le troisième chose ici, at the end of this match, the young Australian could well become the developed #1 tennis player. I'm just asking because that's how we are working the listening program. Saying, see, earlier I was talking for la petrol augmentation. Now I'm talking for anything in terms of the match because you have to understand the listening what he's talking about because this is your word. So so whenever you see the news, there is a headlines. Petrol augmentation, les augmentations du pétrole, l'augmentation du pétrole, ici, à l'issue de ce match. Then the second headline, at the end of this match, la jeune Australienne, the young Australian, pourrait bien devenir, could well become the world #1 tennis player. Pourrait bien this is your headlines, my friends. Is it clear to you, my friends? Tell me yes and no. Okay?
augmentation means
Increase, increment. C'est le titre. What is titre? Titre is your, the headlines,
Right.
my friends. C'est la actualité. What is actualité? That is your, the current affairs, l'actualité, the current affairs. Actualité. What is actualité? Tell me, the current affairs.
Current affairs.
Is it clear to you? Because your listening program, you get some news, you get something out of it. Is it clear to you, my cuckoos? Clear?
Yes.
Now, ici, par exemple, dans le contexte actuel, I'm just asking, dans le contexte actuel, l'annonce, I need your voice today, l'annonce
Context of
L'annonce
l'annonce
remènement ministériel. I'm talking for now the second headline. Emmener. Remènement, let me write it down. Remènement ministériel.
Trial.
This E we have ague. The ministériel n'étonnerait personne. Étonné. Étonnerait. N'étonnerait personne. N'étonnerait. N'étonnerait personne. What is that? What is étonné? What is étonné? Tell me. Étonné is to, the surprise. Étonnerait. What is étonnerait? Étonné. What I'm talking about in this context, dans le contexte, in the current context, the announcement of the ministerial visit would surprise no one. What is étonnerait? Étonné, that is a surprise. Is it clear to you? I'm saying dans le contexte actuel, dans l'annonce, in the current context, the announcement, is it clear to my friends?
Yes.
L'annonce de Roman. Now, ici, par exemple, Romane, what is that? Tell me, my friends. Ramènement, open your voice, please. Ramènement ministériel. Ramènement ministériel, open your voice, please.
Remènement ministériel.
Manemo.
N'étonnerait, étonnerait personne.
Personne.
No.
It is something like remaniement. What is that? Open your voice, please. Remaniement is what? Tell me. So basically, c'est le ministériel. What is ministerial? The ministry I'm talking about. Is it clear to you, my friends? C'est clair. Now, ici, par exemple, what is that? We shuffle the things. Tell me. We shuffle the things. The shuffling in the ministry we called as remanimo. Open your voice, please. Remanimo is what? To
Remanimo.
reshuffle.
To
When we
reshuffle.
shuffle, when we revise the ministry, when we revise the ministry, we reshuffle the ministry. That is remanimo ministerial ne torne personne. That is, there is very surprising. There's no one shuffling in the ministry. This is something like a news going on. So you need to understand the context. So speak after me. Dans le contexte actuel, open your voice, please.
Dans le
Dans
contexte
contexte actuel.
L'annonce de remaniement ministériel
Dans
ne
l'annonce
torne
d'un
personne.
remaniement.
No,
ministériel.
ici, demain, I'm talking about demain, tomorrow. I'm talking about the weather now. I'm not sure. The weather condition. Is it clear to you? Demain, tomorrow, le temps se fera plus humide. Plus humide. Avec des températures, avec des températures. With the temperature, my friends, I'm talking about. Avec des températures proches de la normale, proche de la normale saisonnière. Open your voice, please. Saisonnière. What I'm talking about? Le temps se fera plus humide. Now, par exemple, il y a des actualités, des news. Le temps, the weather will become more humid, very humid tomorrow, demain. Demain, le temps se fera plus humide avec des températures, with the temperature very close to the seasonal average. Very proche, ce qui est très proche de la normale saisonnière, which is very normal to what? Tell me, my friends. Tell me. Tell me, my friends. To the normal seasonals. Is it
Season.
clear to you? Clear? So you need to understand. I'm saying le président. This is your listening. Le président devrait. I'm just talking for the news. Le président. Now, my friend, listen to me. The time has come. You need to download RFE application. RFE. RFI. From the Play Store. Listen the news now. To open your listening, to open your speech, to open your vocabs. Le président devrait faire connaître sa décision dans la soirée. This Eve we have, first Eve we have ague, my friends. What I'm talking about. Le président, speak after me. Le président devrait faire, the president expected to announce his decision in the evening. What I'm saying, the president is expected, supposed to, expected, use the verb. It is expected. You are expecting something in hypothetical. You're not sure whether when he will announce. So use the verb conditional, my friends. The conditional présent. Le président devrait faire connaître. What is devrait faire connaître? Tell me. That is expecting. Is sa décision, his decision dans la soirée. C'est clair, my friends? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Il y a, open your voice, please.
Il y a
Pour
Yeah.
à parier,
Oh.
à parier que le nouvel album, que le nouvel album
album
groupe du
du
groupe
groupe
se vendra comme des petits
petit
pains. What I'm talking about, il y a fort à parier. It is, which is this, il y a fort à parier. That is, it is, that is something like, it is highly like, it is highly likely that the nouvelle album, the group, the new album of this group, okay, will sell like hotcakes. Now, for example, there's a song. I'm talking for now the celebrities. In your news channel, there is a news of celebrities, news of the film, news of the petrol diesels, news of the president, the government. Now I'm talking for you know, the albums of the albums of the songs I'm talking about. You say, il y a fort à parier is what? It is highly likely. This is a very important expression. You say, it is highly likely it is highly liked by the people. Il y a fort à parier. Fort is what? Very strongly. Il y a fort à parier que le nouvel album, that's a new album of this group, Vondrecom, itself, Vondra, that is what? Tell me, my friends. Vendre is to sell. Comme des petites pains is just like selling. We say album will sell like hotcakes. So this is something like your expression. Il y a fort à parier. Speak after me, my friends. Il y a fort
à parier
que le nouvel album du groupe se vend
que le nouvel album du groupe
petit pain.
de vendre comme des petits pains.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Now, ici, par exemple, okay, je vous pose la question maintenant ici. I ask the question to you. Comment on augmente le niveau de français? Comment on augmente les connaissances? Comment on redouble? What is the synonym of augmenter? Tell me, my friends. Comment on accroît? We have verb accroître. I'm saying how we can increase the level. Comment on accroît? What is accroît? Tell me.
Increase.
To increase. comment on accroît, comment on redouble, how we can increase les connaissances, the knowledge. Comment on accroît, comment on redouble, redoubler les connaissances. What is connaissance? Tell me. The knowledge. Comment on augmente le niveau de français? What is niveau? Tell me. Niveau is the level of your French, le niveau de français. Tell me. Comment?
Level.
Il est
Le
très
niveau.
important qu'on
Le niveau de
soulève,
français.
that we raise our lyrics, qu'on soulève nos paroles. What is soulever? Soulever is to raise. I'm saying qu'on soulève nos paroles, that we raise our lyrics. Il est très important qu'on dépasse. We are using the word dépasser to overtake, that we overtake the things in French. Qu'on dépasse les choses en français. Il est très important qu'on augmente, qu'on accroît, qu'on redouble, qu'on se développe, qu'on surmonte. I'm using the word surmonter. Surmonter is what? To raise. I'm saying it is very important that we raise our level in French, my friends, qu'on dépasse, so, qu'on grimpe, that we pick the level in French, qu'on
So
grimpe.
both are same, the
These
passé
are
and
these
surmonté.
are the content. Basically, these are the expressions. Dépasser, surmonter, grimper. What is grimper? Tell me. To take over, to get hold of this. If I say increase your level, I can say augmente is to increase. But what is this language all about? What is language knowledge? Language knowledge is you to come up with your speech, your lyrics, your listening, your writing. If it's como on grimp, what is grimper? Tell me, my friends. Tell me. That is to hold on.
Hold,
Yes,
hold on.
how to achieve your level. Comment on grimpe le niveau? Comment on vient atteindre? What is atteindre? Atteindre is to reach out. Comment on atteint les objectifs? How you achieve your goal? Atteindre les objectifs. How you achieve your goal? Is it clear to you? Comment on obtient? We can use the vocab obtenir. My friend, use these vocabularies because the moment you will write, the moment you will start speaking, comment on réalise les choses, how we can attain the things, how we can successful in the things. Tell me, how we can complete the things. Comment on achève? We have verb achever. Achever is to what? Tell me. That is to complete.
Achieve.
Achever. Achever. It's achever. Is it clear to you? Achever is what? Tell me. To complete.
Achieve.
How you execute
Read.
the things in French. Comment on execute? Executer. Use the content to improve your vocab, to improve your speech. Is it clear to you, my friends? Now, ici, il y a des réactions. This is a reaction, my friends. Il y a des débats. This is a debate. What is débat? Tell me. Débat is a
Debate.
debate. See, on a discuté énormément de choses. We have discussed a lot of things. Par exemple, comment on augmente nos niveaux de français, ce que on utilise, what we utilize, ce qu'on utilise, le terme, la section, TEF section B, TEF section A. Non, ici, maintenant, il est très important qu'on joue avec cette langue, that we play with this language. Now, for example, this listening program again. There was a highlights which we did. Okay, we'll start again one more listening program. Now, ici, for example, vous venez, open your voice please. Vous venez,
Vous venez
Vous
donc,
venez.
vous venez
Vous venez.
d'entendre la
d'entendre
réaction
la
du.
réaction.
This is basically, your listening program. I'm just saying like anything. Vous venez d'entendre la réaction du député Marie Pardon, la réaction du député maire à l'issue le premier tour des élections. I'm talking about the elections I'm talking about. Une réaction que l'on peut juger étonnante et même choquante compte tenu de la situation. Now, let me write it down. So you need to understand what the listening is talking about. You need to capture the keywords and you need to choose answers. It's very important that you listen the keywords, you note down the note s'il vous plaît. You to write down the keywords, les mots numériques. Vous venez d'entendre la réaction du député. Député, we have this E, we have aigu, this E, we have aigu. Okay, et député maire à l'issue du premier tour des élections, c'est une réaction que l'on peut juger, l'on peut juger étonnante, étonnante et même choquante, et même choquante, compte tenu de la situation. De la situation. Vous venez d'entendre. What is that? This is your recent past activities. In the recent past activities, my friend, listen to me. We say, I have just heard about that. You have just heard about that. I just spoken. See, one is past. I spoke to you. I spoke to you, but I'm saying I have just spoken to you. So over here, my friends, what I'm talking about, you have just heard. In case of recent past activities, you need to use one-ear conjugation plus the plus full verb of the action verb. I'm saying you have just heard. So that is a recent past. Write it down. In case of recent past activities, you need to conjugate one-ear conjugation. Vous venez. If you're talking for you have just heard, okay? So vous venez d'entendre. So the action verb would be full with the. How to say you have just spoken? One is you spoke, that's in past. You have just spoken, recent past. Vous venez de parler. So the action verb would be full with de parler, and we have to conjugate one. I have just spoken. Je viens. Use one conjugation. Je viens de parler. Is it clear to you, my friends? Clear. So I'm saying, vous venez d'entendre la réaction du député maire. You have just heard the reaction of the deputy mayor, okay? À l'issue du premier tour, the following of the first round, the premier tour is the first round of the election. Premier tour des élections, this election is what? The first round of the elections. Is it clear to you? Une réaction que l'on peut juger that we considered astonishing. We say, oh, what a astonishing result in the first round. On peut juger étonnante et même choquante and even shocking. Et compte tenu the situation, that is given the situation is. What is compte tenu? Tell me that given the situation, tenir is to hold. Tenir past is what? Tell me. What is tenir, my friends? That is to hold. Tenir past is tenu. Given the situation it is. We say given the situation it is. Compte tenu la situation. Is it clear to you, my friends? C'est clair? Now, ici, par exemple, c'est un débat, this is a debate, par exemple, for example. Le débat de ce soir, let me write it down. Le débat, the debate de ce soir, the debate in this evening I'm talking about, Sera, that will be precede, that is to proceed. Precede, you come to know precede, that is this E, all three we have aigu. Precede. De la diffusion, de la diffusion, anything, du superbe film, du superbe film. What I'm talking about, I'm just, see, this is basically, a news going on. Is it clear to you? C'est là quoi? The tonight debate will be proceeded by the screening of the super film. C'est la diffusion. What is diffusion? The screening. What is diffusion? The broadcast. The broadcast of the blah blah film. Le débat de ce soir, the tonight debate is that will be, ce soir sera, will be preceded by the broadcast of blah blah film. Is it clear to you, my friends? Is it clear to you? Now, ici, comment on considère les choses? Comment on améliore? Comment vous améliorez la langue? What is améliorer? Tell me. To improve?
To
To improve.
Now, what is the synonym of améliorer? I'm saying what you think, what you grab the things, how you improve the things. Comment on met en valeur. Mettre en valeur, c'est autre quoi? To put, to enhance the things, how we enhance. Mettre en valeur. What is mettre en valeur? To enhance, to highlight. Comment on rehausse? Comment on rehausse? Comment on rehausse? We have verb rose. Rehausse is what, my friends? How we enhance the things, how we relate the things. Comment on relève? Comment on relève? Conjugation, relève. Comment, the verb is relever. Comment on multiplie les choses? Comment vous multipliez? How you heighten the things? Comment vous intensifiez les choses? Intensifier. What is intensifier? Tell me, my friends. Tell me how you intensify the things. Is it clear to you? How you set up your things? Comment vous intensifiez? Comment vous augmentez? Comment vous renforcez les choses? Renforcer. How you reinforce the things. This is how you need to use the vocabs. How you strengthen the things. This especially you need to use in, my friends, TEF section B, writing, TEF section B, speaking. Because this is how we need your vocabs in your speech, in your writing. Is it clear to you, my friends?
Sir, what is the meaning of rehausse?
Rose is to develop, to strengthen. How you redevelop the things, how you strengthen the things, how you increase the things. Is it clear to you? How you raise the things. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So basically, il est très important que vous compreniez la langue. Évidemment, you need to understand the language, obviously, but dans cette langue, il est très important qu'on pratique avec l'enregistrement. We need to practice with the recordings. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Now, I'm giving you a task, my friends. Listen to me very carefully, because now you have to do the task which is important. First, I will take the doubts. I'm going to send you a new link, okay, of the Google Meet. So there I can take your doubts, okay? So give me 2 minutes. Let me record this. Let me convert this recording, okay? And during the next 2 minutes, you'll get a new link. Please join that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Give me 2 minutes. Leave the meeting, please, my friends.
Yes.